One time for the underdog. One time for the underdog. You got the world on your
What's going on, traders? Welcome back to the FX220 YouTube channel. This is Oussama, expert Forex trader and mentor, and I am back at you again with a new video about the trade that I took today. I just took this trade. It smashed through the take profit, and we will analyze it as usual and give you exactly why I did take this trade and the confirmations behind it and everything. So looking at the pound yen, we've had a bit of a downtrend. We clearly have the market being in a downtrend, creating all these lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. We have our EMAs crossover, and we had this trend line, which is a major trend line that can be seen on the 4-hour chart and the daily chart. We had this trend line broken, and if you can see this, our famous breakout retest continuation pattern. Like here's the breakout, here's the retest, and boom, continuation. So this is also can be called an ABCD pattern, where you have A here, B here, C here, and D would be our target. So this is one confluence about this. Starting at the European session, right after the Asian session ended, we had some news releases that made the market spike to the upside. Notice here some false moves to the downside. Some people would go short here, but this is not a valid pattern yet, so you have to be patient and wait for the market to present you your valid pattern. So this is exactly what happened here. Market went to our 200 EMA and created for us a beautiful, perfect M formation. This is exactly how a perfect textbook M formation looks like. And from then we waited until the open of the New York session. Notice here how market pulled back and gave us a little bit of a small stop hunt to stop the people that went down, let's say from here, and trade their stops. I've always explained in my videos the false move that always happened during the start of NY session, and this is exactly what happened today. It's like a stop hunt, false move, and then boom, this was our confirmation candle. And if you also analyze, if you've wanted to take an entry here, if you analyze the correlated pair around this time, there wasn't any strong correlation. Okay, so we had a confirmation candle, but the correlation was not the best. So I was looking around it here. I was going to take an entry here, but I simply waited. I said the JPY cross pairs were not like falling massively or something. It's like the yen had a lot of bit of weakness around this time. And then after the New York session, after the start, the yen strengthened more and showed us more strength, and this is exactly where I entered. So I got a little bit late due to some spreads, and I got a late entry, but it still smashed the take profit, and market went for a lot more. If we count this, let's say from entry to here, this was 54 pips. So great trade, absolutely amazing. So we had our perfect pattern formation. We had another confluence here, the EMAs and the broken trend line. We had an ideal entry. We had let's check out the correlated pairs and see how the pound was doing around that time, and the yen. So if you check, let's say Euro JPY at the exact same time of our entry, which was in the middle of this candle, 2:30 p.m. Yes, we had our confirmation candle here also, and the euro was falling. This indicates for us that there is some significant strength on the yen. This is what made the euro fall. We can check out all the other pairs as well. Same thing, downtrend on CHF JPY. Let's check out CAD JPY. The same thing, at the start of New York session, we have a downtrend with the EMS crossover and everything. AUD JPY, the exact same thing. It's falling, as the DJPY was falling. We still didn't have an EMS crossover, but it was falling strong. So we had like a confirmation on 5 or 6 of the pairs, the JPY crosses that all were falling, which indicates for us that the pound, that the yen is strong for the moment. And as we always say, we trade a weak currency against a strong currency. So the yen is strong, the pound was falling, was reversing massively, as you can see here, and this is what made this trade valid. Okay, so this is how you should look at it, guys, and this is how you should analyze it. Keep things very simple. You just have to wait for the pattern formation. You don't have to watch the market for the whole day long. I've just watched the market around here. I said, okay, this is first leg, then I went, I've had some stuff to do, and then came back. It was around here, so I had, okay, this is an M formation. We will wait for our ideal entry. So I had this entry here, but I did not take it because, as I said, the correlation was not very strong. So I came back again around this start here, and I got the entry. This is how you don't miss any entries. You just focus and pay more attention when price is at our key location, which is the EMAs. So a lot of people ask me, I mean, how do you not miss these setups? And sometimes I use alerts as well. I was using an alert here, so when if price breaks this level, it will notify me, and this is a way of doing things. And sometimes you just have to focus. I mean, when you see price close to here, just pay attention and analyze before you take your entries. Analyze all the correlation pairs and go through your criteria and make sure you're not trading against any levels or any trend lines that will interfere with your trade, and the trade will be in the money as usual. So alright traders, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Also make sure to follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I post really great stuff out there, guys. Many articles and trades that you can learn from. Literally, I post all my trades here, and so you can check out the entries, check out the confluences behind them, and everything you need to know. You'll basically learn a lot if you just consume my posts here and the content that I post. So until next time, guys, good luck and good trading. This is FX220.